I'm going to click it and paste from other side. I'm going to click on this, and then Command B. If you are in Windows, then Control B. Okay, so Command B. Wait for a second, and voila, boom! It's completely copied the design. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy any website design for your own WordPress website. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to copy one of the coolest website of Ali Abdal. If you really don't know him, he's a really cool guy. Search him on YouTube, you will find it. Okay, so I'm going to copy this design for my WordPress website. So, and to clone this website, I'm going to use a extension and a plugins and called Clone WebX. So to clone the website, we have to first open an account uh, on softlight.io. So for that, we have to do is just go to the app, create an account. Like for if you don't have account, just sign in up. I have already, so I've been using this for a while, and it's really amazing to see that you can copy literally any website design. So let me sign in, and then let's see this one. I have copied so many website. I have remained 28. I can copy this month. So for that, I'm going to click add new project, and then and give a name Ali Abdal. Okay, and then we have to paste source domain here. So I'm going to like click command C, and then I'm going to paste it here, and then click create project. And from here you have to install an extension of theirs. So click here install. So I've already installed the clone webex softlight.io Chrome extension. So you can just add it to your Chrome, and then just pin it uh, in the Chrome extension bar, and then I'm going to come to this website, and I'm going to click on Clone WebEx extension, and then I'm going to select my project, Ali Abdal, yeah, this one, and then click on Add Page. So it will take a little bit, and wait for a moment. Now see, it's completely copy the whole website for you. So you can copy a single component from here, or if you want, you can copy the entire page at once. So let me copy the entire page, and then select on entire page. But before copying it, you have to download their plugins. So here you can see the requirements. Click on here, download and install the plugins, and then what you have to do, just add a plugin to your WordPress, you see, and now click on upload plugin, and then for example this is the plugin, so you have to drag and drop in here and upload it, activate it. I have already done this. Here you can see softlight.io uh, plugins. So that's it, and then what I'm going to do now, uh, clicking on here, export it, and it's already copied to my clipboard. So what I'm going to do is coming here, I'm going to click it and paste from other side. I'm going to click on this, and then Command B. If you are in Windows, then Control B. Okay, so Command B. Wait for a second, and voila, boom! It's completely copied the design of Ali Abdal. Right? It's amazing, right? So this is it. Now you can publish it, or you can customize it. For example, if you want, you can uh, click in here. You can see there is a text. For example, you have to like, if you wanted to like copy change the text from here. Then this one, just come in here. Then, for example, a new, just paste it here, and then change it from friends. Uh, let's say hello. I'm going to copy this code again, and then paste it here. Let's check this one. It's changed from hi to hello, right? So this way you can change everything, customize any design that you wanted to change, and yeah, that's it. Let's check the mobile version of that. I think it will looks cool, right? For example, the mobile version, as you can see, it's mobile friendly as well. So cool, man. Just copy whatever design you like. Well, let me tell you that here is another problem of it, of this plugin. For example, this header won't shows in any like on your actual page. For example, this is the full page, right? So if I publish this page, let me show you what's the problem here and how you can solve it. This page is now live. Let me open it. So see, I want I want the header exactly like Ali Abdal, right? But it shows me the header in here, as you can see. My my website header first, and then this one. So it looks not good, right? So how even the footer as well. So if you go to another page, you will see the footer is changed because of we didn't add footer and and a header. So you have to edit separately. And for that, what you have to do is copy this design from here. For example, this is the header. So let's copy this one, and you have to go to the WordPress dashboard, and from there there's a plugin called Element Kits. If it's not premium, Elementor, then use Element Kits and header and footer. Click on here, and uh, and then what I'm going to do is, for example, add a new template, right? I'm going to add a new template. It's called header 2, and then type is header, entire site, and save changes. We're going to click it later. Header 2, and now I'm going to click it and edit the header. Oh, the heck is going on? Edit content. So it's very simple. What you have to do, for example, I have copied the header from here. For example, copy, and then what I'm going to do is just click and paste it here. That's it, man. That's as simple as that. For example, if you wanted to like delete it, you can click on here, delete it. You can change a little bit things, but it's now header. And if I published it here, I will say, let's say it's completed, and I'm going to delete it from here. For example, this one as well. So I have deleted the header from this homepage and added a separate header from the element kits and published it. And now I'm going to publish again. It's now published, but let's delete this one as well. This is the button. Okay. Publish it again. Well, now you'll see. Let's reload the page again. Well, now you can see the header is completely looks exactly same, right? So this one and this one, it's exactly same, right? And let me tell you one thing that I'm using their 10 dollar a month package, and that's why it looks perfect. But you can try it out for free. You can copy two website with 10 exports, 10 pages, and this free package only support Gutenberg and Webflow. So you cannot paste it on Elementor if you are using free package. But you can, I would say you can try this package, and then if you think that it's worth it for you, again, take this one, $10 a month subscription. I mean, it's not about 30 sites, but it's about uh, the the design you liked. You completely copied that one, so it's, I think, like, it's more worth it for you. So yeah, that's it. You can copy literally any design from any website for your own WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like for getting more tips and tricks like that. Thanks.